How did you come at the right time? You came to see me? Then why didn't you come when my dad was here? You're coming correctly after my dad left? Hey, I'm blabbering something and you're leaving now? What do I want? I'm the only VIP whom you know in the whole OT and you're asking me what I want? Why are you staring at me? What wrong did I say? Do you have at least one friend who passed 10th standard? Look here, when I'm talking, you have to stand here and listen. If I ask you whether you have come to see me, you have to say yes. If I ask you whether I'm pretty, you'll have to say yes. Okay? Am I looking pretty? Hello, uncle.
Come, dear.
There is a function in the next street. I've done my makeup at home. This is a final touch-up.
Hey!
Uncle, he's telling that girl shouldn't come here. Is it so?
No, you always welcome.
See, don't act too much. Did I get into men's toilet or what?
Sir, please help me, sir. Sir, come on. Yeah. Oh my God.
Please sit quietly.
Hey, are you going to stop screaming or what? I'll hit you.
Okay, nice. My God.
Cut it, you idiot.
Oh. He got calm after I get the beating.
In that matter, he's like me, sir.
Good family, sir.
Hey, dear Kanna, you cut everyone's hair in this town. Can't you stylize your hair a bit more? Look at how stylish he has cut his hair. That's also correct. Okay, Kanna, let's take a selfie. Get lost. Doing too much. Baki, you come here.
Yeah, sure.
You know, my friend has gone to Bangkok and posted a photo of chimpanzee on the Facebook. Now I'll post this, see.
Nonsense.
Okay, Kanna. Do I look pretty?
Brother, car is not starting. Is there any mechanic shop nearby? Why? Oh, you can only understand by looking my lip movements, ah? Huh? Okay. No other way. Why he is staring at me like hostile by looking homemade food? Something fishy. Yes, dude. Correct. Dude, I can understand, dude. I am Vivek. You are my fan. You like my comedies very much, right? No? Correct. Thanks a lot. Give me your hand. If you tell me where is the mechanic shop, I will escape, bro. What? No mechanic shop in Ooty? Oh, it's so far away. My God, what can I do? Huh? Car. Let the car be here. What are you saying? If any wild animal get into the car and sleep means? Car. You. House. Yes. What? You are going to blast my house? What is this? How can I understand if you talk so fast? You. My. Car. Tomorrow. Oh, you mean morning, ah?
Ah.
Okay. You will bring to my home. What, you have connection with mechanic? Is it lady mechanic? Huh? Oh, your friend is mechanic. Okay. That's okay, but still, how will you get a car? Oh, you have visiting card also. Royal Saloon. Is that where you cut your hair? Oh, you are cutting for others. What is your name, bro? Why are you stitching instead of spelling your name? Is there a name flute? Very funny. Kannan. Kannan, I'm just trusting you and... You're asking where to leave the vehicle, ah? You have given your number, no? I will text you my residing address. You will bring it there. Okay, take this money. No, dude, you are saying your friend is mechanic, no? He won't be your friend if you do free services. Have it. Take it. Everything is okay. But now, how I can go to my house? Huh? How? Yeah. Not for shooting. I have come here for personal work. And this is my guest house only. No one here knows I came here and staying here. You just don't tell to anyone. Oh, you're promising. Okay. Oh, car. Should bring it without fail. What are you doing? What? Thank you. What, Kana? Everything is okay now? What problem? Small repair only, ah? What? One nut is missing, ah? Diesel is empty, ah? I thought driver would take care of it and I didn't notice that. I'm sorry, dude. I troubled you for a very small matter. Don't mind. Your house is nearby. You're staying with your parents. Father have headache, mother have toothache, ah? Huh? You don't have parents. Oh, sorry. What? You grow up at home itself, huh? Oh. You said you like my comedies very much, no? How could you understand that? What you understood? See how I become like this. Super. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, dub smash, ah? Super. Thereby, Kannan, I have fans all over the world. But I have never seen a fan like you before. In cinema, I have given lot of voice against superstitions. In real life, I am giving voice to plant more trees. But now, I have given voice to you in this now. I am very happy about this. Oh, if I need anything, you are asking me to message you. Okay, I will do it, sure. Then, don't tell anyone that I am still staying here. Promise me. Oh my God. What is this, bro? If I stay with you, you will make me very shorter, it seems. What now? Oh, you need a selfie? I will give it for you, sure, dude. Come on, come on. Huh? Where am I missing there? Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, Sandhya.
I think some accident there. You go and watch there.
Oh my god, I got hit. Sorry, dear.
What? Sorry? Are you going to take off that scarf and show your face?
I have operated my nose. If I remove my scarf, Crow will take
Yeah,
it.
right. You're Sridevi. Nose operation seems.
I will do whatever I want. Who are you to ask me?
Are you going to take off your scarf, look at my face and tell sorry or not?
Why are you scolding me?
Will criminals put on scarf and talk like this?
Who said I am a criminal?
What?
You know,
What are you
what are you
blabbering?
talking? Huh?
Hey, I'm standing right here. You talking to that guy? Friend? But he has a car. Then he must be a driver only. Why, sir? You'll drive others' cars so irresponsibly or what?
What? Am I driving irresponsibly? Why did you apply brakes suddenly?
Did I do that intentionally? This idiot only came in front.
Which idiot? Oh, why did he come here?
What? I'm talking to him. Then tell me that I'm beautiful. I'll leave it. Okay, for your sake. Come.
She is coming.
Okay, just for Kanan's sake, I'm leaving this problem.
But my number plate is slightly broken, ma'am.
What?
Okay, okay.
Hey, what are you doing here? Leaving your work and simply looking? First, get the
Okay,
vehicle,
madam.
idiot.
Escape.
Bye, Kanan.
She will do wheeling, it seems.
Sir, I am the reason for all of this.
It's okay.
If you don't mind,
That's okay, that's okay.
can you drop me in a race course, sir?
Hey, you scoundrel, what are you
Sir,
asking to me?
sir.
Just stop him.
Sir,
Get down, I
okay,
say.
okay. I
What
will
are you-
leave. Have a nice day.
What protection manager money is doing here? Huh? Driver, one guy is there. A cow attacked his mother-in-law and that cow is in very serious condition. So he went out for leave. You want to work as a driver for me? Then what will you do this job? Huh?
Hey, what a surprise.
Oh my god.
Hey, give that. Just asking you water, right? Okay, you don't drink water without boiling it. Now, why are you drinking this mineral water suddenly? Friend? Who? That Jim Carrey? The other scarf party? Oh, hi.
Greetings, madam.
Hey, have you ever seen his face? The whole world has seen it? Okay, I send you a message every morning. Can't you reply to it? He's a collector. A lot of work to do. Bye. Bye.
It's okay, madam. Bye bye. Thank God I escaped.
Sir,
Who is this?
I am working.
You scoundrel.
I am working with him, sir. I started growing my beard when you asked the leave, okay? Now it's growing very good. You know that? I just thought it was a girl's matter. I never expected such a famous guy from you, man. Sir, how you know him, sir? Hey, Kanna,
Hey, he's
how
talking
you know
too
him,
much.
man?
Just take the vehicle.
What? New shirt? It doesn't look good. Where? Hey, the driver, right? Has he hit somebody and hiding here?
Huh? Haha. What is this?
He looks just like Vivek.
Ma'am, I'm Vivek only.
You're teasing me. If you're Vivek, then I'm Kovai
I
Sarla.
don't know that, but I am Vivek only.
Hello. When there is a flash show in OT, people will dress up like MGR and Shivaji. That's what, right?
Uh-huh.
What? How much did you pay for this comedy thing?
How I were, now how I am. Do I deserve this?
Sir, is it really you?
True, madam. Shall I make a call to Vishal and say? Or else you need my Aadhaar card. Don't want. I will be in a doubt to see my face in that.
Sir, did I fight with you the other day?
Yes, dear.
Oh God, sorry, sir. But how did you end up with him, sir? Long time friends, but you didn't tell me. Yeah, I'll take care of you. Sir, this is the first time you come to my shop. Will you have something?
Oh, no.
Do you want to buy something?
No. It's nothing like that, dear. I just come out with him because I feel bored. Next time, if you see me in the road, you won't scold
Oh God,
me, no?
definitely I won't. Please forgive me, sir. Can I take a selfie?
Oh,
Did I ask you? Get lost.
okay. Shall we go? One second. Did you like Ajit or Vijay in movies?
I like director Bala the most, sir.
You like Bala? You are very different. Why, madam?
Ha, sir. In his movie's climax, he'll break the villain's hands, bite his legs off, and hangs himself on the tree. So violently, he'll.
If I give you phone to talk, you are asking to play Candy Crush. It's okay. Just buy me a very good tea.
This is not something which I can tell you directly, but you will understand only if I tell you like that. It has been inside my mind for a very long time, but I didn't have the courage to tell you. Even now, just because Vivek sir told me, I'm telling you this. Hey Kanan, please don't take this as a joke as always. We have been sharing a very good friendship all these days. Now, I want to share my life also with you. I'm not blabbering. I'm not crazy. I'm speaking very clearly. I like you. I don't care about anything else. Why are you talking like this? Both of us can earn well. We can live peacefully with that. Look here. Just tell me if you like me or not. It's my job to convince my dad. Just answer me first. Do you like me or not? Why are you saying like this? Kannan, I don't know if I said what I came to say correctly, but I have written everything in this letter. Please read this and tell.
Why are you so angry? You can't hear, you can't speak, you don't have enough money, right? The whole Ooty know that matter. She is in love with you with knowing all that thing. Don't you need a companion? Are you going to be alone? Don't anger and blabber. Do you know many people like you getting married and living happily? Oh, you're different. Hey, Sandhya knows you from her childhood and she understood you very well. Why are you saying no? What are you saying? Oh, you are asking who am I to decide your life? Hey, you can't tolerate humiliating people who helps us in love. But don't misbehave like this. I'm not deciding your life. I'm saying for your good cause. Kanna, hey. You won't come here to see me, that's it?
Oh, you got the message from Vivek sir. May I come in? See, he's leaving. So he's gonna come in the May month. Yeah, I told you correctly. Why are you beating me? Sir, come on, sir. When did you came, sir?
I came in May month itself. What, your shop is rushing very much with customer, it seems? Keep this towel in proper place. Nonsense. I need to shave today. What is he
He's
saying?
telling me to do, sir.
I don't have any trust in you.
Why, sir?
If it becomes like a rat eaten biscuit, just do with client wish. I need an experienced one. Do it for money, not for free. I will give you tips.
Hey, do it, man.
Oh my God.
Nothing, sir. It's just a thorn. That's it.